Alright people, back with the next topic, back with the next video, back at it again. Who never subscribe, can subscribe so we can keep up to date because I upload daily. Every day I upload something. Anyway, still this topic here now about the prisoner them escape from Hunts Bay police station. So, well, one of them did in a shootout with the police. So basically 8 of them were escape from the prison. So, and one turned himself in and now one dead. So 6 of them left on the run. So the one I'm going to talk about now, I want when I shoot out with the police. Alright, so I'm get into it so you can know what going on. One of the prisoners who escaped from the Hunts Bay police station in St. Andrew was shot and killed this morning during an alleged police shootout. The police identify one of the escapee as a 24-year-old Leroy Burrell, otherwise called Tickman or Baby King or Zinc Fenc, from Majestic Gardens, St. Andrew address, who was facing murder, illegal possession of firearm and robbery. It is reported by the police that Burrell was shot and killed in mangrove in the vicinity Portmore toll plaza. A firearm was recovered at the scene. He reportedly escaped along with 7 other inmates early yesterday morning from the police station. One of the men, identified as Ricardo Johnson, later turned himself in yesterday afternoon, accompanied by his mother and lawyer. Alright people, this is what I have to say about this now. If you escape from a police station and then now the first thing you go for, you plan to walk around with a gun, you know say I did you go dead in the police them see you. No talking, no negotiation, no discussion, nothing. You know say I go dead. You know say I did I go dead. So for a film part now, if you draw for your gun for the walk with, I just dead house I go reach. So remember, you know, people, we can't really judge, you know, because I never did it. But if you have gonna walk it with you, that's a wise choice. Until next time again, people. Peace.